Another forest tree genus, Ilex, commonly called as holly tree. It comes under the botanical genus Ilex. There is one oak, Quercus ilex or Quercus balut. So this particular genus Ilex was sometimes given the name because of the spiny leaves. We find the spiny leaves even in Quercus ilex, Quercus balut, as well as in Ilex species, but they are quite different trees from two different families. No other similarity except the spiny leaves. So Ilex, since they are holly, they are evergreen like oaks, but one species is also deciduous, which is found in America, Ilex verticillata or winterberry. Without leaves, its bare branches are ornamental decorative during Christmas celebrations, as its drupes are dark scarlet red, and they are used in celebrations for the Christmas festival, and even decorated as drawings for the Christmas cards, along with the white berry of mistletoe, Biscum articulatum or Biscum album. Since it has the blood red berries and thorns are very spiny, so it is also known as Jesuit's leaf. Other name is Christ thorn or Himalayan holly. The species we find in Jammu and Kashmir temperate forest is Ilex dipyrina. Locally, the plant is known to the locals as batreen in Gojari language. It is also known as khungad or khungada or khukhada in various Dogri dialects. In Hindi, it is called shulparni because of the spiny leaves. Leaves are coriaceous and leathery. The flowers are greenish white, about ½ centimeter, and they grow in leaf axils. Leaves are hardly 5 to 10 centimeter, and they are spiny, but spineless on older stems. Another species which is found in Garhwal, Himalayas, have the entire leaf margins, and it is not spiny. It is having the 5 seeds, and it is known as Ilex excelsa. Another plant found in Garhwal Himalayas is Ilex odorata. Ilex odorata is found in Garhwal. Its leaves are 8 to 18 centimeter, and fruit is not red, but it is black, and number of pyrines is simply 4. In case of our species, Jammu Kashmir species, Ilex dipyrina, dipyrina means 2 pyrines in one fruit. Whereas in case of Ilex odorata, we find 5 pyrines, and in case of excelsa, pyrene number is 5. In Garhwal Himalayas, Ilex dipyrina is also known as Kandara or Kanail. And another distinguishing feature is, in case of dipyrina, the flowers are born in globose clusters, whereas in case of Ilex excelsa, flowers are in sessile umbels, and excelsa is known by the locals, natives in Garhwal, as tumri or gaulu, and the leaves are lopped as fodder, and it's considered as good bee forage. Ilex odorata grows up to 15 meter high, whereas excelsa is smaller and it grows up to 9 meters. Another species which we find in South India is Ilex denticulata. This is also sometimes known as Ilex nilagrica. It's a small tree and its blaze is red. Branchlets are purplish, purple tinged. Flower leaves are coriaceous and 4 pyrenes are present in the fruit. It is found in Kanyakumari, Coimbatore, Madurai, Eastern and Western Ghats, and this is also very important for the wildlife. Another species which we find in Assam is a tall tree which is called as Ilex ambululata, and in local Assamese language it is called as kotoki or a boga kulia. It grows up to 30 meter tall and it has the red drupes. Apart from these, there are a few more species in India, but we will talk about the species which is critically endangered and it is found in northeast. It is called as Ilex khasiana. This particular species is on the decline and it calls for the conservation efforts. Likewise, another species which has already gone extinct from India subcontinent is Ilex gardneriana, and no sample is available. The species which we find in Malaysia is a threatened tree called Ilex grandiflora. So this is also facing population survival problem because of the habitat loss. The species which is critically endangered and reported from Puerto Rico in the American continent, it is called as Ilex cooki. Most of these Ilex species, they are dioecious, means male and female trees are separate and they are evergreen except one deciduous species, Ilex verticillata, found along the coast. One particular species which is found in Texas, Mexico is called as Ilex vomitoria, and this is also called as yaupon tree in local language, and by it is the most important Ilex holly or Ilex vomitoria, which is frequented, visited by several birds, animals, wildlife as the source of food. So among various birds we can mention Florida duck, American black duck, mourning dove, ruffed grouse, war-white quail, even turkey, eastern bluebird, American robin, grey catbird, north mockingbird, white-throated sparrow, and among mammals we see very important 9-banded armadillo, which is also the state animal, small mammal of Texas in America. It's also called a long-nosed armadillo. It also feeds on its berries. Even American black bears also use it as food. Grey fox also, raccoon and skunks, and even white-tailed deer. Its leaves are also brewed as a tea, and this is used for vomiting during some religious ceremony which calls for some kind of purification, and in that sense it has been named as Ilex vomitoria. Another species which is very popular for the drinks under the name mate, that is called as yerba mate drinks, which are available even in the grocery stores in Brazil, Paraguay, Uruguay, and even it is coming to the markets in Syria, Lebanon. This is the species Ilex paraguayensis, and the leaves have been found to contain the phytochemicals like caffeine, theobromine, theophylline, and this is also cultivated. So many cultivars, horticulture cultivars are also available, and this particular tree is used, its leaves are brewed, and that drink is traditionally taken by the natives under the name yerba mate drink. it has some kind of health benefits. Another species which is found in China called Ilex kaoshui, commonly called as kuding. Its leaves are also used for the brewing as bitter tea. Another European species which has the type species for the genus Ilex is Ilex equifolium. It is European Christmas holly, and this is also decorative because of red berries and usually planted in the parks and gardens. So another particular plant which we see mostly all these Ilex species, they have the caffeic acid, chlorogenic acid, even the quercetin, the quinic acid, camphorol, tannins, rutin, caffeine, even theobromine. Even in the Harry Potter series books, they mention of that magic wand has also the link with the holy tree. And this particular genus also have some climbers. Most important, as it is evergreen, so it can be included in the temperate gardens for the greenery, and red fruits during the winter time, but mostly the trees becomes leafless in the temperate regions. And these are also used by various wildlife, especially birds, to take shelter inside the spiny branches to evade the predation. So Ilex diaperina found in Jammu and Kashmir, and Ilex khasiana, which has already gone critically endangered, and Ilex gardneriana, it's an Indian species already extinct, and grandiflora found in Malaysia. Likewise, whatever germplasm, these are the forest species, and they are supporting the wildlife, and also they are decorative, and they need to be preserved and conserved for posterity.